Hello class, this week we'll be covering the 6-fact family with Mr. Frick. Let's go ahead and start our review of the 6-fact family by counting by sixes. Starting at 0, or 0 times 6, then down to 6, 1 times 6, 12, 2 times 6, 18, 3 times 6, 24, 4 times 6, 30, 5 times 6, 36, 6 times 6, okay, we're halfway there, 42, 7 times 6, 48, 8 times 6, 54, 9 times 6, 60, 10 times 6, 66, 11 times 6, and finally 72, 12 times 6. Next up, we're going to cover solving a 6-fact family problem using the distributive property of multiplication, which is what we were practicing all last week. Our first example is 6 times 3. We're going to take that 6 and break it into a 5 and a 3. Now you see I've added brackets there, which is 15 plus 3. You want to go ahead and add, which is 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. And we've got 6 times 5. We've broken up the 6 into 5 times 5 and 1 times 5. Then we add 25 plus 5, which gives us 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. Now, as a note, and we'll talk about this more in class, we always want to solve the problem in the brackets or parentheses before adding. Great job, everybody. Next up, I decided to throw in a little primer for division. So we have 30 divided by 6. The 30 tells us how many there are total, and the 6 tells us how many groups we want to break them into. Our answer is going to be how many are in each group. So, with that information, the first thing we want to do is create 6 groups. And then what we're going to do is start adding dots, one to each group, while we're counting up to 30. Once we reach 30, we want to stop. Then we want to take a look and see how many dots we've got in each group. And taking a look here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 in each group for this problem. So that's letting us know that if we have 30, we divide it into 6 groups, we're going to have 5 in each group. Okay, great job everybody. I'll see you in class.